right, well, we got our whole group met up over here at Tortuga, right in the inside of the port here. Good meeting spot, big bright red sign, so everybody can find it nice and easy. Everybody went and picked up supplies, and now it's time to walk across the street. So let's rally our troops, and off we go. And there's Captain Marvin's. All right, well, we made it down here to Captain Marvin's. We are on the North Sounder today. We got George today.
Hello.
And we got the whole crew here ready to go take a ride and check us out. Super easy getting over here. Got a little tour of Grand Cayman on our way, and now we're off.
Natson is the name of the boat. We do have a restroom downstairs on the left hand side. Please guys, keep it in mind, it's a marine head, okay? Any waste paper you use, put it in the trash can that we provide for you, okay? We do provide live vest, food noodle, mask, and flippers if anyone need it. We're going to spend roughly about 25 to 30 minutes at each stop, okay? We're going to do 3 beautiful stops. Our first stop, guys, is going to be a Coral Garden, which is 8 to 10 feet of water. You guys are going to see a lot of tropical fish there, okay? Our second stop, guys, is going to be Stingray City, which is 3 to 3.5 feet water. It's really shallow. Our last stop, guys, is going to be a Starfish Point. A Starfish Point, guys, is 1 to 1.5 feet water. Are you ready for some fun?
Yeah. Check us out, hopefully see a little bit of fish, maybe a stingray. Kids think they saw a turtle, so let's see what we can find. Alright, Maurice is going to help you, okay? So Jill,
yeah.
What do you think of a little bit of snorkeling with Captain Marvin's here in Grand Cayman?
Absolutely amazing. We saw amazing tropical fish. Got to feed them. The conch is absolutely beautiful.
Okay.
Even with this rough coffee water today.
Not too bad.
No, it's not bad.
Not too bad at all. Come on, sweetheart. All right, here we go.
I got you. Trust me. Give me a hand.
Okay,
Just
all
a
good.
captain.
Okay, it's okay.
Rebecca, give me a hand underneath like a pizza box. Give me a hand, love. Relax, no muscle, okay? That's Rebecca. Now you're gonna get her like this, okay? No tongue, alright? Keep it clean, ready? 1, 2, 3, kiss. We're here with the Howie Cruise family.
Ready?
I'm trying to suck up my hand.
The one that we had, Rebecca, that is a female. It's a full male, really different, okay? Touch it on the wings, really different.
Feel the wings.
Okay? So how we
Oh, hi, yes, you're here.
So that's one of the reasons on the size, okay? And next one is this, guys. One like that.
They don't have
Two baby makers.
Sailing with friends. Yeah, so I mean, hey, listen, we've been to 2 spots. We've been to the Coral Gardens. We've been to Stingray City, and now we're up in Starfish Point, Starfish Beach. So these guys with Captain Marvins have been amazing. Maurice and George have been fantastic with our group.
Yeah.
Everybody's having a great time.
And I gotta say, despite not having crystal clear skies and some sunshine, we are super happy with this liquid sunshine and still having a great day.
Oh yeah, no, it's
Hasn't
been
made a difference.
fantastic. You got-
Has not impacted whatsoever.
I mean, you're wet anyway.
So I guess so.
So, hey, is everybody having a good time so far? Yeah! All right, let's go check out some starfish.
Katie, it's a beautiful one.
Can you flip it over, show me the others? Keep it on the water.
It kind of like feels sticky because they're gripping you.
It's gripping you? Really?
The bottom grip.
Dad, you try it too.
The bottom grip.
Does this make you feel better now?
Well, it's no Stingray, but we're very proud of you, Tim. We're very proud of you.
Thanks, guys.
Pick it up right from the top. Now you can turn it over, just don't bring it above the water. Okay.
They got little tentacles, and Katie said you'll feel them actually full.
Oh, yeah.
And they don't like to be close to each other. They like their own space.
All right, well, we had a great day in Grand Cayman today. This is my buddy Maurice.
Yeah, man, Maurice right here.
And we did a great tour today with Captain Marvin's. And if you're in Grand Cayman, definitely make sure you're checking out Captain Marvin's and go through the Howie Cruise. We'll take care of you guys.
Yeah, come on down. We're open back for business, you know, and we'll be happy to host you guys. All right, with my friend right here and his beautiful family, Howie Cruise. Yeah, this is us.
Ooh, yeah,
That's
man.
it.
Yeah,
And
man.
that's our captain for today, George. Hello.
Maurice and George.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey, these guys have been great. We had a great day today. We went over to Stingray City.
Yeah, Starfish Point, and we did some snorkel at the Coral Garden.
Coral Garden was beautiful.
Amazing.
We got to feed some fish. We saw a ton of fish, and then we all saw a bunch of stingray. And these guys know the stingray. They know them by name.
Yeah, they do
So-
got their names.
So if you want to know the stingray by name, you want to talk to these guys. We saw Rebecca today. We definitely saw
and we
Rebecca
saw
today.
Lola.
And we saw Lola. Oh, poor Lola without her stinger. So hey, listen, if you guys are in the Cayman Islands, you want to make sure you come by, check out Captain Marvin's. Come say hi to Maurice. Come say hi to George. And definitely, we'll see you on the
We're
sea.
here
Hey,
to make you guys have a great time, all right?
we're back on the tender. Had a great time with Captain Marvin's today. Got to check out Stingray City, Coral Gardens, and Starfish Beach. And now we join our friends back on a boat.
done.
Oh.
How do I flip the camera?
All you have to, and then you can see. See? You just
Oh.
We had a little terror this morning. Katie was chasing a frog, and so was the rooster, and the rooster won. Right in front of Katie. So
See and the
seas.
See and the seas. Come on.
See
look.
ya on the seas.
Check the background. Sea and the seas. All right.
See ya on the
Beautiful.
seas.
See
All
and the
right.
seas.